Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Coach.
Ready for training today?
Yes, very ready.
Good attitude, I like.
Always ready to improve.
How do you feel?
Feel great today.
No injuries?
No, feeling 100%.
Perfect. Good news.
Ready to work hard.
That is what I want.
What is today's plan?
Fitness first, then tactics.
Sounds intense today.
Yes, important week ahead.
Big match on Saturday?
Yes, very important match.
I am very focused.
Good. Team needs that.
Who are we playing?
City United. Strong team.
Yes, very tough opponents.
We can beat them.
I believe that too.
Confidence is very important.
Yes, mindset is everything.
Exactly right, Alex.
What is my position?
You play striker again.
Perfect. My best position.
You scored last week.
Yes, felt really good.
Keep that form going.
I will, I promise.
How was your rest?
Slept very well, Coach.
Good. Recovery is important.
Yes, 8 hours every night.
Perfect routine you have.
Learn from you, Coach.
Ha, good student.
Best teacher in football.
Ha, thank you, Alex.
I mean it seriously.
Did you watch the video?
Yes, studied their defense.
What did you notice?
They defend very high.
Good observation, correct.
Space behind their defenders.
Exactly, we use that.
Run in behind them.
Yes, your speed wins.
I will be ready.
Their goalkeeper is weak.
Weak on which side?
Left side, always. Left.
I will shoot left.
Smart player you are.
Preparation is everything, Coach.
How long playing football?
Since I was 6.
15 years of experience.
Yes, always loved it.
It shows in your play.
Football is my life.
What is your goal?
Play professionally one day.
You can achieve that.
You really think so?
Yes, absolutely, no doubt.
That means everything to me.
Keep working this hard.
I will never stop.
That is the right attitude.
Thank you for believing.
Do you eat well?
Yes, very clean diet.
What do you eat?
Rice, chicken, vegetables daily.
Perfect footballer diet.
And lots of water.
Good. Very important. Hydration.
2 liters minimum daily.
excellent discipline you have.
Learned from the best.
Do you do extra training?
Yes, every morning, alone.
What do you practice?
Shooting and ball control.
Which foot is weaker?
Left foot needs work.
Practice left foot daily.
Yes, 30 minutes every day.
Progress is showing already.
Thank you. Working hard.
Left foot goal last week.
Yes, practiced that exact shot.
Practice makes perfect.
Every single day, coach.
How is team chemistry?
Very good this season.
Who is your best friend?
Carlos, the midfielder.
Good combination, you two.
We understand each other well.
Like reading each other's minds.
Yes, exactly like that.
That is rare quality.
We practice together always.
It shows on the pitch.
Chemistry takes time to build.
You two built it fast.
We work hard together.
The team respects you.
I respect them too.
Good captain material, Alex.
Really? You think so?
Yes, I am watching.
That is very motivating.
Leadership is about attitude.
I try to lead by example.
Exactly the right approach.
Thank you, coach.
Any problems in team?
No, everyone gets along.
Good atmosphere in dressing room?
Yes, very positive always.
Happy team performs better.
Yes, I believe that.
Are you happy here?
Yes, very happy here.
Good. I am glad.
Best team I played for.
That makes me proud.
You created something special here.
We created it together.
True, everyone contributed.
Ready to warm up?
Yes, let us go.
10 laps to start.
Easy, no problem.
Then shooting practice.
My favorite part.
I know you love shooting.
Cannot help it, coach.
Haha, that is good.
Strikers love scoring.
Ha, yes they do.
Let us win Saturday.
Together we will win.
For the whole team.
That is the spirit.
Let us go, coach.
Let us go, Alex.
Best season yet coming.
I believe it completely.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for your effort.
Always goodbye, coach.
Goodbye. Train hard today.
Always do. See you.